Get a Phillips screwdriver and remove all these 6, 7, 8 screws. I've already done that, so put your prying tool here. Disconnect the battery. Remove 4, 5, 6 screws. Be gentle so you don't damage the cable. It's pretty clean. So as you can see, it's pretty dry. It's not meant to be dry, it's meant to be fresh. White pad and remaining thermal paste. Apply new thermal paste. If you find it's really dirty, by the way, you don't unscrew them even further, and then you can just use your homemade brush to wipe that. But in this case, it's pretty clean, and also the heatsink is pretty clean. You can brush both if that was your situations, but in this case, it's pretty clean. I'm not going to do that.